Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to go through some of the major talking points and features and of course give you an overall condition look at this stunning 435D Sport Gran Coupe. The vehicle itself is presented in the Glacier Silver Metallic. You'll also see there at the front is a 2017 17 plate, so it does also benefit from the facelift. We've got the facelifted front lights, rear lights and a few interior tweaks, all of which we'll go through very shortly. Another addition we've made is of course the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, along with adding these 19-inch 704M alloy wheels. Down the side of the car you'll notice the satin side vinyls, side bars and YNC Mperformance decals, along with the sun protection glazing that the vehicle does come with as a very nice BMW optional extra. On for our first glance at the interior, which for this vehicle we've got the black Dakota leather, which comes with not only the heated option, we've also got the electric movement and memory for front passengers and drivers. We've got that superb Harman Kardon surround sound with the Logic 7. Moving on for the glance at the rear seats now, where you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench, as you can see there, again all nicely presented, all clean and tidy. Central folding armrest, and the rear passengers can also enjoy a heated seat option as well on this car, as you can see there. And we'll take one last glance at this side of the alloy wheels before I head round towards the back of the car to show you off, of course, the facelifted rear lights, a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin rear diffuser. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera to show you when I step inside the car very shortly, and as you can see there, an exceptionally large boot space as well. Being the 435D model, it does of course also incorporate the xDrive 4-wheel drive system, and again we can show you just how well this vehicle is, and everything looking just as it should do, especially in that Glacier Silver, a colour that really does work very nicely with our YNC styling kit. Moving on now, I'm going to get inside the car and show you off a little bit more of the features and functions. We've also got the power folding mirrors, which of course can be controlled using the button over here or holding the lock button on the key fob. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside the car, we'll go ahead and start it up and of course run you through some of the features on this professional wide navigation and media screen. First of all though, we'll show you off this dual climate control, where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. And being a facelift car, of course it does mean we've also got the facelifted iDrive with the separated menus, which just makes things that little bit easier to navigate and a bit nicer on the eye. Starting with the navigation screen, going down into map, there you can see having that larger screen really does make it a bit nicer on the eye and that little bit nicer to use. Real-time traffic updates, keeping you on the fastest route possible. Heading over to the Bluetooth connections menu, where as you can see there, we've also got Bluetooth telephone, Bluetooth audio and Apple CarPlay on this vehicle. DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, and one very, very rare and nice option to have, we've even got the TV function on this vehicle, giving you access to watch live TV. As you can see there, currently playing Sky News. So of course, should you be sat using the vehicle at any point, you do have to have the vehicle in park and the handbrake applied to use this feature. It cannot be in motion. Of course, always a nice option to have that, especially to keep passengers entertained at any point should you be stationary. However, onto a few back to the vehicle itself, we'll go over and check out the vehicle service information and service requirements. As you can see there, it's not due a service for 11,000 miles time, and in terms of service history, we've got full BMW service history as well. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, cruise, speedometer, voice and volume controls, and the vehicle has covered just over 63,000 miles. So we've got an extremely well equipped 435D M Sport Gran Coupe, which makes for an all-round very practical, very usable, everyday, extremely quick yet very economical, very nice looking car. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and hopefully it will aid in making an informed decision on purchasing your next car. Hopefully though, we'll see you very, very soon. Do of course take care. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course website links in the description. Thank you, do take care and goodbye.